Looks like we got a lot of these seeds. Which one is this? This is the Bear Miller crossed with ZZ. So that's the Zos Ziddles, Skittles. Shout out to that one. Let's see. Where's this? Yeah, that's what I was looking for. Shouts out to the big homie. Y'all know he laced us with them genetics. Shouts out to the son of OMC Company, aka Triple B Farms. Y'all know to go check out the homie. Hell, you see he threw me some laced up genetics, and we gonna be keeping them popping. Shouts out to the homie. Appreciate that. You dig? These right here are all my photo periods of the same genetics that he sent me autos of, because he knows I'm a photo guy. But he was like, "Nah, I want you to grow these autos for me," and I'm like, you lucky you the homie, because I see what you did there. You're trying to trick me into growing autos because you like autos, but I'm a photo guy. But since he sent them to me, he sent me both of them. So, appreciate that part of the game. Like, yeah, just go ahead and, run the autos for me. Which last time I was mad because these actually have a high germination rate. So last time when I started three of the same genetics, all three of them had popped and were running, but they didn't make it all the way through because nothing made it. So y'all seen the pot stay empty in here, and both tents I said were empty also. But hell, that happens along the road. So like I said, we're gonna add 2 needles of water in here. It's got the napkin fully wet because we're gonna want that wet for a couple days while we let these go ahead and go. So hopefully by Wednesday, when we come back and do a video that day, or Saturday next week when I do a definite update on it, y'all will see what's crack-a-lacking with that. Put this in this bucket because I'm gonna take it out where it can be in the dark for some of the day versus stuck in here giving them light, because that's the thing you don't want them to have is light. So they'll be absorbing more water to grow to get towards light. You dig? Then since they're halfway within the paper towel, these seeds look small. What's this? This is the BBK. So that's the Blackberry Kush cross. Oh! Why is it making me remember I'm an old man sometimes? Sometimes. But hell, like I said, we're gonna put the 3-piece in there and let them do what they do. So this is the fun part, right? Gotta get it in there. Two needles. Yeah, man, Bobby. Hopefully they all right. Yeah, they get it. Put that in the freaking bucket. Shout out to having extra buckets. I ain't even realize that I could use that bucket in that manner. But I'm sure enough utilizing tools around me. And it seems like I had almost everything in here ready for this. Was I setting myself up for this all week? Probably, because I'm a setup artist. Hell, we be doing that. We be doing the content's gonna be creating itself. That's why I was glad to see we had more than purple flowers this week. Shouts out to the garden tour. If you missed that part of the video, hell, I might swoop around for you. Because we in the green room today. Shouts out to the pineapple. Then we got the dragon fruit. Once again, then we got the strawberries. Then we got our flowering plant over there in the corner with our current plant stand. Right here, we got the money tree. Shouts out to growing the money tree, snake plant, and our first of 2 cactuses. Because, we got them cactuses in here in the building, too. There's the only actual lady I've got running at the moment.